In today's video, we're going to go over one of the best AI SEO tools called Frase, and we're also going to go over the affiliate program, and I'm going to show you how you can make money with the affiliate program. Let's go ahead and get started. And I'm going to quickly show you how you can use Frase. The first step is to click Get Started for free, and no credit card is required. And once you've signed up, your dashboard will look like this. And we'll go ahead and click Create New Document, and we'll click SEO Workflow. However, they have different options you can choose, and then we'll go ahead and click Continue. And we're going to go ahead and enter a search query. I'm going to do Best Affiliate Marketing Niches 2024, and then you can select your country where your target audience is and the target language, and go ahead and click Create Document. We're going to go ahead and click Start, which is going to process the top 20 Google search results, and it's beginning to search Google. It takes about 1 minute. And you can see on the right, it's searching many top articles. And you can see on the right, we have all this search result data that we can now use to create an article. And there's different ways to do this. We'll go over just a few ways in this video. So we can look for headings we'd like. And for example, what is affiliate marketing? What is an affiliate niche? And we can click Paste to Editor. And by using headings from other articles and then spinning it with your own style, you can really almost copy what has already proven to be successful. We can also use AI to help us. So if we type / and then we click Write with AI, we can go ahead and tell the AI to write anything. For example, write the best 10 affiliate marketing niches, and go ahead and click Enter. And the AI is thinking, and it's using the web result data that we've collected, and now it will go ahead and write the article for us. You can see it's writing the article super quickly. And then they also have a lot of cool tools. For example, if we go over here on the right sidebar and we click Optimize, we can see our score and we can see how to improve our article. And Frase has a ton of different AI and SEO tools to help you write the best articles. I highly encourage you to try their free plan and test it out. And Frase has an amazing affiliate program where you can promote Frase, and if people sign up and pay for a paid plan, you can earn 30% reoccurring commission for the lifetime of the account. The cookie length lasts 60 days, and every affiliate actually gets a $50 bonus when they refer 100 new customers. And affiliates will get paid out via PayPal once they've exceeded $100. And signing up to be an affiliate is super easy. Just click Apply to become an affiliate, and just put in your email, your name, and fill out this small form, and go ahead and click Sign Up. And once you've signed up in your dashboard, you'll have an affiliate link right here, and you can go ahead and copy it, and you can start sharing it on your website or on social networks, and you can start earning commissions. If you want to find more affiliate programs, make sure to check out affiliate.watch, where we list the best affiliate programs in the world. And I hope you guys have a great rest of the day. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.